A few tips to get rid of belly fat. Here are 13 effective tips to lose belly fat, backed by scientific studies. Eat plenty of soluble fiber. Soluble fiber may help you to lose weight by increasing fullness and reducing calorie absorption. Try to include plenty of high-fiber foods in your weight loss diet. Don't drink too much alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake has been associated with increased belly fat. If you need to reduce your waistline, consider drinking alcohol in moderation or abstaining completely. Eat a high-protein diet. High-protein foods, such as fish, lean meat, and beans, are ideal if you're trying to shed some extra pounds around your waist. Reduce your stress levels. Stress may promote fat gain around your waist. Minimizing stress should be one of your priorities if you're trying to lose weight. Don't eat a lot of sugary foods. Excessive sugar intake is a major cause of weight gain in many people. Limit your intake of candy and processed foods high in added sugar. Do aerobic exercise, cardio. Aerobic exercise is an effective weight loss method. Studies suggest it's particularly effective at slimming your waistline. Get plenty of restful sleep. Sleep deprivation is linked to an increased risk of weight gain. Getting enough high-quality sleep should be one of your main priorities if you plan to lose weight and improve your health. Eat fatty fish every week. Eating fatty fish or taking omega-3 supplements may improve your overall health. Some evidence also suggests it may reduce belly fat in people with fatty liver disease. Stop drinking fruit juice. When it comes to fat gain, fruit juice can be just as bad as sugary soda. Consider avoiding all sources of liquid sugar to increase your chance of successfully losing weight. Add apple cider vinegar to your diet. Apple cider vinegar may help you to lose some weight. Animal studies suggest it may help to reduce belly fat. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Studies suggest that it may be one of the most effective ways to lose weight and belly fat. Drink green tea. Regularly drinking green tea has been linked to weight loss, though it's probably not as effective on its own and best combined with exercise.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,